now?
Okay. So whenever I feel something strong, be it happy, sad, anxious, I just go out for a walk. Being outside, hearing the wind and the birds, it just kind of settles me. So I thought, why not build that? Not the walk outside, but a walk through that feeling itself. So you kind of type how you feel, and here I have used like the ready-made prompt, and you select your mode and you enter the world, and it's like you start from stillness, and there's a kind of music playing in the background. You record yourself and you just start walking. So from stillness, you go slowly to numbness. All the feelings which you feel in the moment, you just walk through it, and the color and background music changes accordingly, and it kind of records. So you can hear the background music changing. When you feel like, okay, I'm settled with the emotion, you just end it, and it gives you kind of overview of your walk, the map of your walk, and it generates the lyrics out of it, and it renders a song which I'm gonna just, okay. So this is a song which it generates.
I'm exhausted, but I wanna feel alive. The sky cracked open like a question, gray on gray, and I let it stay. Land out past wonder towards something I could stand. I carry the blue a long, long way, and the ground kept changing under my hand. The weight of it still wore your name.
And yeah, you can just share the music with your friends, your family, and maybe keep it to yourself and just absorb the feeling, what you're feeling. So yeah, thank you. That was the lay of the land.